Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set the date and time on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on system management. Now from here, just tap on date and time. Now from here, just disable set time automatically. Now from here, if you tap on date, you can change the date manually, just like that. Now from here, once you change the date, just tap on OK. Now from here, if you tap on time, you can change the time manually, just like that. Now from here, once you change the time, just tap on OK. Now from here, if you want to set the date and time automatically, just enable set time automatically and it will set the date and time automatically. And this is how you can set date and time on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.